Hi, so here is my lemon um, experiment. I cannot try to light a fire because I'm at school and I will probably get in a lot of trouble with public safety. And the science center is closed right now. But I can talk about why this reaction occurs, and that is because the energy actually does not come from the lemon itself, but it comes from the chemical change in the zinc nails. So the zinc nails right here are being oxidized inside the lemon because of the acidic environment. So it's exchanging some of its electrons in order to reach a lower energy state. And the energy is then released, which creates this power. So lemon creates an environment where this can happen and are not used up in the process. So when zinc and copper electrodes are used, it can generate approximately 9/10 volts. So yeah, the higher acidity in the lemon, the more volts it will create. So that is why the reaction occurs. Thank you.